You scared me. I didn't hear you come inside.
Door was unlocked. Someone call a plumber?
I sure did. I'm all wet.
I can tell. Looks like you could use some new pipe.
Yeah, I think so.
All I got's 3/4 inch.
Can you hand me that, please?
You mean this big, thick, heavy tool?
No. The completely average sized pair of pliers represent. Yeah. Ooh, look at these big boys. Oh boy, this gets the job done. This is getting that job done. You might want to back up, honey, or it might get wet.
Ooh, is someone about to bust?
No, but the pipes may. There's a lot of pressure down there. Doing a bit of a workaround to save you time and money. Now these things get backed up from the main line. That's going to push through. All right? It's going to soak your kitchen. You're going to, kiss these cabinets goodbye.
However will I repay you?
We'll bill you.
What if I don't have the money?
Well then, I guess we'll have to set up an easy pay account. Take care of the balance in installments. 6 months, interest, free. And then we're gonna charge you 5% till the balance is paid in full.
I gotta fix this sink myself.
Thanks, sweetheart.
Whatever. We're done here. You can go.
Safety first.
Ava Adams. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Be sure to check out some other videos below. Subscribe, follow on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Vine. Links in the description. Be sure to like, favorite, and share this video if you thought Ava Adams was beautiful, which she is. So make sure you share it. Thanks again for watching.